hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. And watch my whole... Hey! Would you like to see how easy it is that you can create art using artificial intelligence on your iPad? You would? Well, just watch. Mami Wata, Mother Water, is an African spiritual tradition that encompasses worship of a pantheon of water spirits, especially popular through many regions of the continent of Africa among numerous tribes of people. Regions stretching from Senegal to Zambia. Her very name may be translated as Mother Water. Countless enslaved Africans forcibly brought to the Americas and various parts of the entire world carried with them their beliefs, practices, and arts honoring water spirits such as Mami Wata. I have been intrigued as an artist looking at various sculptures, drawings, paintings, and arts of many different artists of this goddess. And I wanted to create my version of how I see her. Okay, let me talk about the process of using AI to create art. This is my second endeavor to create AI generated art. I sit down at my iPad, I type in a query of what I want, then I look and see whether I like what the AI has created. Then after that, I take that and put it into another program which I enhance, add different colors and other effects to it. Sometimes I add other images to it to make it my own, so it's not just coming straight from the AI. I am doing things to the artwork to make it my own. I'm not saying this is a way of making art that I will probably use forever. It's interesting, and this is my second video of doing it, and it's something different to play around with. I like to put it in my toolbox, but I'm not going to say I'm going to stop making art by hand or drawing on iPad or doing other virtual art. It's just something else that I can use to increase the various ways that I create art. But I do like many of the mermaid images that it has created. Very interesting, very varied, and as I choose different styles or change or tweak words in my query, the mermaids change. So I'm very happy with the results of this second attempt of creating AI generated art and the AI generated mermaids. I hope that you have enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Come back and see me